Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design a flange. Let's see. So first we'll take a sketch command. We'll select the front plane. So flange is circular in nature, so I have to use a revolve command for creating that. So first I'm going to add a center line to define a revolution axis. Now we'll specify our sketch. So I'll create one line and distance it. So this line distance will specify the axis, that is total 50, and this total distance I'll take it from here, that is 38. Now we'll specify our sketch continuously one by one. After specifying the sketch, we'll do the complete dimension together. So here I'll specify all the dimensions. This distance is 2. From here to here we have this 9 distance. This is 3 distance. And this is total 20. Now we'll specify the total diametrical distance. So first I'll specify the bigger diameter. So that should be 124. So how I'm adding both side distance? Very simple. Whenever we're taking this kind of distance, we'll select the first point and the center line. By default, software will give you only one side distance. You have to move your mouse another side of the center line and the distance will be give you both sides. Now I'll specify the second diameter, that is 88. Now I'll specify the lower portion, so that should be 61 in diameter. Now I have to specify this object and the center line to be horizontal in nature. Now we'll see what distance are remaining. We'll specify that. I have to specify this distance to 52 and this distance from here, that will be 39. So I have defined my sketch completely. So these are the dimensions that we have to do to define this sketch. Now we'll exit. Now the sketch will be revolved around this axis. Our flange will be created. We'll use revolve tool and OK. Now I have to design one small component here. So for that I need a plane at 45 degree first. So for that I'm turning a temporary axis from the hide and show. Once the axis is visible, now we'll go to reference geometry. We'll take a plane. Here I'm using this axis and I'll take a right plane and click here at angle and specify the angle that I have to take 45 degrees and do OK. Now I'll specify this plane, sketch on it. Here I'll create one small line and specify this angle orientation at 45 degree with the lower edge, and the total distance from this point to this point is 15, and the distance of this line from the center, that is 58. Once I specified all this dimension, we'll exit from the sketch. So why I created this line? I want to make two circles on this portion. So for that I need a plane. For that I need a reference. That's why we have created this line here. Now we'll take a plane. We'll select this line and we'll select this point and do OK. So we created a normal plane. Now we'll use this plane to create the two circles. We'll make one circle on this point, second circle on this point. We'll specify the diameter. One is 3 diameter, one is 10 diameter, and we'll make the circle to be coincide over that point. So we'll move this, we'll select this origin point and this point and make the two pierce or coincide. Do OK and exit. Now we can hide this plane, and even that line is also we can hide it. Now select this sketch and we'll go to extrude command. So here, while extruding, we can take up to surface option by selecting this surface, or we can take up to next also. So any one option we can take and do OK. And later we will hide all the planes and extra axis. So this is how my part is completed. Now let's see how the model will be look if I see all the views. So here we'll go to view selector box and we'll select 4 views. So here I can see the front view, top view, left and isometric view. Let's get back to the single view again. Now let's apply some appearance to this. We'll go to appearance. Let's take some metal appearance from here. What kind of metal appearance we want to take? We'll select, let me take manganese brushed and do OK. So it's looking pretty good in the view. So this is how we have completed this flange design.